Okay. Hello, good afternoon, David. So today we'll have the community scrum on tanggal berapa sekarang ya? On 14 January 2021. So we'll jump to the campaign program for the partner refine contract. I saw there is no progress yet for the sign contract. Uh, But yeah, David, could you be my secretary today, David?
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. So, can you please write down on the comment, Om Rafiq, because I think Om Rafiq will follow up with the Tegas Asri, Kembang Kuning, and Villa Damu. So, uh, please tell Om Rafiq what is the update for the Tegas Asri, Kembang Kuning, and Villa Damu. Okay, thank you. From my set, just that. If I can see from the 17, I think yeah, we need to push a little bit for the partner to see their commitment with us. So we need to persuade more or try to more what's called good on the dealing and then negotiation with the partner. So yeah, I will coordinate with Om Rafiq how we can improve the negotiation. Yeah, thank you. And then the next one for the community engagement meeting program. Yeah, for this one, I had updated for the funnel. So for the topic monthly key report, I put 12 more topic for the partner satisfaction survey, and then uh, for the villa inspection with Villa Sinta, and then yoga searcher for the toke training, and then also for the appointment as well, or the appoint with them. And then for the discussion and monthly key topic, there are seven discussion. uh, so I already finished to send all the partner in region 1 for the partner satisfaction survey. And then yesterday I coordinate with Pak Supirmin, if I'm not wrong, from the House Gembala. And then he give the rating for the payment is for the sorry, for the revenue management is 8, and then for the payment and monthly report is 10. That's good. Thank you, David, for that. And then also for the overall score is 9. So for the host Gembala, the partner is satisfied. And then for the Villa Sinta, the update for the Villa Sinta and Villa Rama is the partner. The Villa Rama is already sold out on the 2 years ago, and then Villa Sinta is still operating, but there are uh, some need to improve, like from the bathroom and then from the living room, and already tell the manager yesterday to improve it. And then I will check again next week if my request is already done with to Villa Sinta, or they still process on it like that. Also for the discuss and feedback, uh, for the for the contract, yes, there is a discuss with the Labomi, and then he will think about that, and then get back to me as well. And then for the discuss and feedback birthday, there is one as well. For discuss and birthday, there is a new from the Chris Thompson, and then Niwayan Sujawani from the property. Okay, the next is the for the community page trusted. We'll give the update after this. So, oh yeah, so the last update is for the project champion. I already coordinate with Cynthia, so Cynthia will take over the community. BVC talk, this BVC talk, and then we'll coordinate with Andre as well, which member is available for have the BVC talk with Cynthia from the HR like that, and then Grace will create the paper for the handover to Cynthia. Okay, also for the update for the Google review, I already done to send all the partnership review on the Google. So I also already documented on the each card on the on here on the BVC talk, and then if you guys want to check, you can just check there. For the maintain partner trust by clear payment report, David, could you give the update?
Okay. From today's update, no major update. Anomalies list increasing by 5 to 157, and all the payment are under payment. Just it for today.
Okay, so there is five more for the underpayment is because the Airbnb let
Yep.
send the payment, yeah, and then so you cannot settle yet before the Airbnb send the money, right? Sorry, I think I have connection interrupted. Hello, David, can you hear me? I think my connection is
Uh,
down.
yep.
Okay, so
Now clear. Now yes.
okay, so the settlement is because the Airbnb not send the payment yet, so you cannot settle, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Still wait. Still checking it with Kak Cynthia.
Okay, got it. Thank you, David. Yeah, as soon as you get the notification from Airbnb that send the payment, you can notify the partner and then settle the payment. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any friction so far, David, for the handling the payment and report?
I think no. Kak. All
Okay,
good.
all good. Yeah. Thank you. And then back to the campaign for the next is for the reducing the booking conflict. The last update, I still cannot handling this on this week, but there are only a few property need to follow up. Just the Batu Jaran Hill, the owner is not open the property yet, and then Taman Bintang, and then also with Alchemist like that. But for Putri Nusa and Boga Segara is already done for the timing, and then for the Ocean Terrace, I think I need Om Rafiq to follow up what is the update, or maybe I will just quick to ping Pak Wayan Merta today to check if he already clear for the bigger or not yet. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, I think that's pretty much for the campaign update. So we will jump to the discussion management. Okay. For discussion management, the last discussion is about this one. So I already checked with Rahma. She didn't get back to me yet about the link of the review and then the keyword. But she said still working on that. And then the new topic is this is from me. This is just for information. So I already sent region 3 for the partner satisfaction survey, and then today I will send for the region 4 for the partner satisfaction survey. And then also I already mentioned Om Rafiq to send partner for region 1 and region 2 like that. And then so far for Region 3, there is only one response for the house Gembala, but I will send the reminder tomorrow if today they still not fill yet like that. But yesterday, some partner is already respond. They said will fill it later after he have time like that. Okay, thank you. And then for the conclusion, maybe David can write it. Then we will send the reminder tomorrow for the partner that not filled yet on the region 3. and then today we'll send region 4, and then Rafiq uh, will send the partner satisfaction survey for region 1 and 2. Okay,
Okay.
thank
Okay.
you. And then for the next, this is from me as well. So yeah, it's I got this feedback from Jing that Pak Indra, this is one of our owner, that he made advertisement on the Facebook for their property, for their villa, and then advertise their property, but with their own, sorry, with their own email, Instagram, or their own WhatsApp, like that. So it's mean like they want to get the guests from their listing on the Facebook, like that. So the discussion will be sorry, is lagging. Discussion will be why the owner doing this, and then how we handle it, like that. Okay, I think from the first, uh, maybe from David, maybe I will need your insight here. So, what do you think that why the owner doing this? Why the owner make their own advertise on the Facebook? Because we also invest in Bukit Vista, we also make the same advertise on the Facebook, like that.
Okay. What property is this?
Villa Indra, Vira Arindra.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. When I see the bigger, I, I think the owner feel the booking is lacking. Yeah.
Okay.
So he advertised his owner by himself. I don't know what his mean to promote with his friend or any else. But I think it, uh, the main of the problem is lack of booking from until now. So he advertised his property by himself. Um, I think to ask solution for this, I think we can um, ask 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 the owner the situation or condition of from with their property with what is the ke, keluh kesah from the owner. I think we can send the satisfaction survey to him also, Kak. So we can know what is what is his apa keluh kesah, okay. Insight, ya.
Okay, so rather accept the lack of booking, what do you think the partner uh, have an idea to make this listing, David? Is there anything beside the lack of booking?
Oh. I think to promote with their with his friend because to promote with his friend because he pro he post it in Facebook, yeah.
Yeah, on his Facebook.
Yeah, I think the second reason is that from to his
Okay. So do you mean
Okay.
uh the partner is promote to his friend? So maybe
Yeah.
his friend have any guess that maybe fit with the partner room like that, yeah, or the partner villa.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, the solution is that, and then so um, from me, I will answer the first question. Yeah. So
Okay.
maybe David, you can help to write it. So why the owner doing this? I'm agree with the David as well. Maybe because the lack of the booking. Uh, when also I saw it on the Tokit for Villa Arindra. Uh, yeah, I saw there is some booking because the villa has a forum. There's some booking, but on the previously since what's the last? I think there is a long time. He didn't have any booking yet, and then we started to give he booking around this one around December November. We got one booking, and then another booking on the 14th, and then 31, and then we got one. Yeah, I think because there are like a two room is still empty uh, for a long time, so the owner uh, have an idea to advertise the villa, the room, so they can fill. He can fill the two of the empty room to covering and to get the more revenue from the room like that. Okay. Um, other than that, maybe because of the lack of communication between Bukit Vista and then Vira Arindra. Let me see ya, Arindra. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. When I saw on the WhatsApp group, there are still an activity of the guest update. Oh yeah, so yeah, actually the partner is mentioned on the WhatsApp that the room is still is three room is still empty. Please the upsell like that, and then that's on the New Year actually. Pak Indras, the owner said like that, and then also the response just that. Yeah, I think the main concern is the partner need the revenue from their villa, need more revenue from the villa. Then he think he can help to sell the villa if he advertise by himself like that. Okay, and then maybe you can write that as well because of lack of communication about
Okay.
our strategy or our pricing uh, for their properties like that. between lack of communication between BV and partner about our strategy, because we also advertise in the Facebook. Maybe the partner didn't know that we are posting his properties on the Facebook as well, like that. Okay, and then why the owner doing this? Apa Indra? Yeah, I think from my side, mostly is about the communication actually. So, yeah, if we have the good communication with the partner, that tell the partner that we are for advertise that property and then try to sell upsell, I think that will be fine. That will be good. So what we need to fix is um, how to handle it. Yeah. So the second question, I will answer the second question, how we handle it. So uh, how we handle it is fixing the communication between partner and then Bukit Vista, and then make sure all of our strategy and pricing is delivered to the partner, so the partner is understand that we are doing something to help sell the properties, and then we also can think like which the channel that he can see if we have any update uh, of our strategies or pricing, like that. And then also, I think that's for the long term solution, and then for the tactically for the short solution from my side, I think uh, community need to set up the meeting with the HR and BI about this. So because uh, we need to push the booking for the Villa Arinda as well, so we can approve our work that hey, that Bukit Visa can contribute more to your properties, so you don't need to advertise on your Facebook, like that. And then also in community, we will talk with Pak Indra, and then like you said before, from the satisfaction survey, we need to get the concern from the guest. Sorry, from the partner. What is he concern to make this listing, and then who is the audience that he want, and then how Bukit Vista can help so the partner doesn't need to make their own listing, like that. Okay, yeah, I think for the how we handle it. That's from me. Maybe from David. Do you have any something to add from my comment, or is there something that you not agree from my comment, or you agree, like that?
Um, Yep, I just want to ask, maybe Kak,
Yes.
from the WhatsApp that the owner sent before,
Yeah.
that we have answered it, and what the solution that we give to him before.
Okay. Let me see the conversation on WhatsApp. So, um,
Okay.
oh yeah, the response from the air support is only siapa Indra, like that. but there is no follow up information.
Mm,
uh, I don't think HR also
mm,
forwarding to BI and then to community about that, because as you know, in community we cannot monitor all the message, right? All the message traffic in the WhatsApp, but
mm.
because the communication is very quickly, but most of the communication is handling by HR. So that's why I think HR need to documenting. So if there is any feedback or
Yeah.
comment from the owner, so please for document it, yeah, either on the PRM or on the community discussion manager management, or just send to the Slack like that. So yeah, I think for that, that's actually the actionable things that we can improve for the future. So on this one, is there answer your question, David?
Yep, Kak. I think that can be solution for our next discussion, Kak, to document it all the partner chat or and make sure that all the partner request or insight ha- will deliver to us. Yeah,
Okay, agree.
and we can make solution. Yeah.
Okay, agree, David. So yeah, I think the conclusion is you can take this number this one, these three things you can make as a conclusion, and then also you can add one more that HR need to documenting the partner feedback or comment or complaint, and then forwarding to the community, so community can managing have to manage it, either follow up with BI or with other chapter like that.
So community can what, Kak?
Community can help to manage
Can okay.
the feedback, the feedback from the partner
Okay.
to other chapter, and find the solution together.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I think you can move this the last four comment to the conclusion. Yeah, I think that's more on the conclusion of it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I think that's the action from the community for handling this case. Is there anything that you want to add, David, about this topic?
Yeah. No, no, Kak.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, and then, yeah, maybe I will ask, how about so far? Have you handled Vira Anindra? Is there any anomalies for Villa Anindra
Um, for this
property?
for this last 2 months, Kak,
Hmm?
just have booking from Airbnb and all the payment are already sent by Airbnb.
Okay, got it. So all good, yeah, for the payment or
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Okay, if not, so I think for the discussion about the partner is already done, and then just need to follow up with other chapter about this. And then the last is about how to fix the partner communication issue. So yeah, this is actually one of the crucial issue that we need to address it, and then also we need to fix it for the long term, because sometimes for the communication issue we just fix like for the short term, right? For example, like a slow
Mm-mm.
response, then tomorrow we can fast respond. But if we die off or if we have something to do of work, we will back again to the slow response, right? Yeah, but I think we need to thinking like how actually we fix the communication issue for the long term, like that. For example, this is I think one of the best example for the partner communication issue. So yeah, the partner is already tell on the WhatsApp that the feedback that need to sell more and everything, but uh, in community we didn't get the information from that. So I think how to fix the partner communication issue is the most urgent thing as well. So because in we cannot monitor all the conversation on the WhatsApp on community, like that. Okay, maybe that's my statement for this topic, and then for the from David, uh, what do you think that we can oh the first, what we can control on the communication, something that we can control.
Oh, something. Um. Like I think, our last discussion, we can. There is lacking with community and other chapter, Kak. Other chapter who like HR uh, who respond the property feedback. So we can what make maybe make a SLA with them for first one to documenting, or the next maybe we can make SLA to all the to HR, all the property feedback must send to the community as soon as possible. Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah,
that's your feedback ya for the how to fix the communication issue. Yeah, yeah, I think because currently we are using the WhatsApp, so I think, but that's still manual, right? So that's still manual. That
yeah.
also possibility to miss as well, to miss the message. But how we converting from the manual to the systematic, like that, David? That's I think that's that's the solution for the fixing the communication long term, right?
Um, I think I have no idea for the automatically got with the system, but I think just I what I do in finance and HR.
Hmm.
Jadi uh, kalau semisalnya itu, kalau semisalnya ada respon hari ini,
Hmm.
wajib langsung kasih tahu ke grup gitu, Kak.
Ya, benar-benar. Oke.
Langsung disampaikan gitu, itu cara manual sih.
Mm-mm. Ya, jadi masih need, jadi for effortnya masih tinggi ya gitu kan. Artinya kita cuman memindahkan effort gitu. Jadi effortnya itu berarti sekarang di ECR kayak gitu
Mm-mm.
kan, gitu. Nah, jadi sebelumnya kan
Ya.
effortnya anggaplah community sama ECR. Sekarang effortnya ke ECR full gitu kan. Jadi kita memindahkan effort kayak gitu. Jadi effortnya masih tinggi kalau misalnya kita masih uh, because we are still doing manually, so the effort will be more, like that, right? So
Iya.
what I was thinking, David, so can you give me an example, like, because if you can see, for example, like a booking.com or Airbnb, they also have a client, right, or partner, right?
Mm.
The partner is the property owner.
What, Kak?
uh,
Lagging.
Yeah, sorry. The Airbnb and Booking.com, for example,
Mm-mm.
they have the partner, right?
Yep.
The partner is the property owner.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So, do you think Airbnb and Booking.com make a group WhatsApp for the all the partner?
Ah. uh, I think no, because it's all it's like 100 1,000 partner, right?
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
that's actually they solve the communication issue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then how about if Bukit Vista handling like a thousand properties? Do we still make the group WhatsApp for them?
Uh, oh, I have idea, Kak.
Yes, okay. What is your idea?
Ju- just like a simple idea. Maybe we can improve it later.
Yeah,
So I what ya? Kayak um, ada sesuatu sistem kayak gitu. Jadi apapun yang bisa kita lihat semua lah langsung gitu, Kak. Jadi nggak perlu grup WA kayak gitu. Jadi kalau owner nggak tahu sih pakai apa kayak Google Form atau apapun kayak gitu nggak belum tahu kayak gitu. Tapi yang bisa langsung tersampaikan kayak gitu. Jadi selama ini Airbnb itu buat kayak gitu. Jadi kalau ada keluh kesah tekan, nanti akan ada yang menginikannya kayak gitu sih. I'm not sure what platform what, yeah,
system that have visibility to know all
to all,
information ya
uh,
about partner.
yeah.
Okay, maybe yeah, I got your point, David. So uh have you communicate with Booking.com or Airbnb before?
Um, I my for myself, I never do that, but I lewat lewat biasanya lewat Kak Cynthia kayak gitu. Soalnya
Hmm.
belum ada akses.
Okay, so berarti you haven't communicate with Airbnb or Booking.com yet, right? Yeah, but do you
Directly no.
okay? Do you know how to communicate with them?
Um, Communicate with them. Let me see ya.
For example, you want to
Um,
discuss or you want to asking about the payment, and then you need to contact Airbnb or Booking.com. Do you know how to connect with them?
um, I'm not sure, but there's a link that
Mhm.
Airbnb sent to the partner,
Yeah,
and after that there's a chat, there's a apa uh,
chat box.
apa namanya, ya chat box to the CS kayak gitu.
Okay, and then there's a chat box that's directly going to the customer service, right? Yeah, and then
Mm-mm.
after you send the chat box, what do you get from the Airbnb, the reply message from the Airbnb? Do you know?
uh, I I forgot, but I have some documentation
Hmm.
about this regarding this.
Okay. Yeah, usually when you are send the message to Airbnb, Airbnb will send something or they will show in something, right?
Yeah,
Like how to follow up your case,
yeah,
right?
mm-mm. Yeah,
Okay, so actually, what is
that's
that?
true.
That is a ticket. Usually, you will if you communicate with
Oh,
Booking.com or Booking Airbnb, you will get the case like a case ticket, right? Like a 0127 or something, and then if for example, like if you still have a problem or you still have the issue with your discussion before, you Airbnb will ask what is your ticket, what is your ID of this the case, like that. So you just need to send that, and the Airbnb or Booking.com will easily to find your history, the history of your chat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
That's right.
that's actually the good example for how we fixing the partner communication issue. Yeah, because like Airbnb and Booking.com, they have a lot of partner, but they manage the issue or addressing the issue correctly or efficient or
Yeah.
effectively, right? Yeah, and then they also didn't make any WhatsApp group with all the partner like 1,000 or 10,000 partner.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Bukit Vista, I think we cannot make or using anymore the WhatsApp group for the partner if you want to grow. Then I think the system of the Airbnb and Booking.com we can try to develop it. Yeah, because that's very good because
Yeah.
the partner will just contact us if there is any uh, real issue like or like something important, right? Yeah, if there is any something important, they will
Yeah.
connect with us like that. So we also can handling or manage the issue of the partner is clearly because we got the ticket and then we got the history of the partner. So we also have the documentation of the partner. For example, like Vira Arindra.
Yeah.
Okay, Villa Arindra. Oh, on February they have been complaining about this. On Maret they have been complaining about this. On the next months they complain about this, so we can have a look, is it actually all of their complaint is already follow up or already fixed or already addressing with the
Fix.
partner, or there is still hanging out there, so we can see actually the performance of the community from there. Yeah, so the good community manager is they are we addressing all the partner issue to the each chapter or each role, so make sure the partner is satisfied with our solution like that.
Yeah. That's correct.
Okay, and then the conclusion. Okay, so what do you think the conclusion, the actionable things that we can do it for this? So I don't want this is only the discussion, but this is actionable like that, David.
Mm-mm.
What do you think the conclusion?
Uh, what? I um, I'm not sure, but we can do make. I think we can do simply by make a Trello for this first. Like the CSM that CSM atau CSM, jadi ada case masuk, jadi so we can track it it's the simple things that we can do now sih.
Okay, yeah. So currently, I think we have been do that before for the partner satisfaction survey. So we documenting on the Trello, right? But
Uh,
for the communication itself, we still using the WhatsApp. So we still using the WhatsApp. But what we can do as a community is we can get the insight from the other chapter as well. I think the first we can connect with BI first and discuss it about this idea with them, because I think BI can
okay.
help to break down this issue and then help to verify our solution like that. And then the next one we can connect with product development to ask, is it like possible or not to have the system like that. Then after that we can testing to the partner. We can testing to the partner if this is effective with two partner or efficient like that, David?
Uh,
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think just that my conclusion. Maybe for the last, what do you think? Do you agree with that, or do you have any something to add?
I'm very agree, Kak. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think for the discussion today, we have discovered three discussion, and then now is the community trusted time. So, Grace, welcome, Grace. How are you?
Hello everyone.
Hello. Oke, community trusted ya. Open page-nya. Oke, the last update-nya ini ya.
Yuk.
Oke,
Uh,
ya, to you, Grace.
okay, for today there is no new update in the funnel actually because we are focusing on finishing the blog and like sending reports so that everything is done before the new project champion is appointed. And then for the blog, it's already done. It's in the editing process, and maybe today or tomorrow morning we'll upload it. And then I never know how Ross upload it, so maybe Kak Teddy can help Maria
Upload the
to
blog.
upload the blog.
Oh,
Yeah,
ya ya ya. Oke oke.
because yeah, she doesn't know and I don't know it either. So maybe Kak
Oh,
Teddy can
oke.
help.
Mm-mm.
For the title and video description is already in the paper that I gave you this afternoon.
Mm.
And maybe can you edit for the echo for past geothermics and Johnson first, yeah, so that
Oh,
we can tomorrow send them the report.
oke. Sure sure, Grace. And then
Also listed,
ya,
uh,
oke.
it's unlisted.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. My I also will want to ask that. I have finished to give the review for them, right? And then maybe could you connect with them that they also like send us the review on our maps or Google or page.
Oh, also ask them to leave a review on our page when sending reports. See.
Nah, mungkin kayak gitu. Jadi kan kemarin kita so we leave them the review and help their apa ya reputation kan kayak gitu kan di sana. Jadi kita nulis good review. Jadi mungkin kita tawarin untuk exchange gitulah. Jadi we give the review. Jadi kan kemarin kan aku udah kirim screenshotnya juga di its Trello kan card. So kamu bisa send ke mereka juga. We have send you the review, Google review. Maybe if you kayak kalau misalnya kayak gimana ya, kalau nggak keberatan dari mereka bisa bantu untuk kita branding juga untuk leaving the review kayak gitu. Karena sekarang kita lagi coba push review di Bukit Vista sih kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Hmm. Gimana? Possible nggak gitu, Grace?
It's, kita udah minta mereka sih pas kita ngirim pas ngirim report.
Or kita bisa sebenarnya bisa provide link. Jadi link biar mereka tinggal nulis review gitu loh.
Oh,
Jadi dia tinggal klik linknya aja, terus dia bisa ngasih rating sama review.
because I think Maria have sent some emails, but let me ask her again.
Maybe ask her what is the inside of the email ya. Make sure it's including with the review as well.
Okay.
Okay, I think for the FCO for PES, Geotherms and Johnson, I can finish it by today, Grace. So tomorrow you can send the report ya.
Okay.
Okay, and then for the blog maybe I will
And
just.
then maybe for the link for the review also.
Oh, boleh boleh.
The link.
Okay, for the blog upload, I will just contact Ping Maria ya directly.
Mm-mm.
Oke. Oke, dan Maria masih lama nggak sih internnya? Atau full time dia?
Eh, jadinya dia part time atau enggak ya? Belum kasih tahu lagi sih.
Belum ada update ya. Soalnya kalau misalnya dia bisa ini mungkin lanjutin aja untuk sementara dulu kalau misalnya bisa buat blog gitu loh.
Iya, heeh.
Mm-mm.
Maybe if Maria continue for part time, we can ask her to be the project champion.
Hmm. Project Champion sebenarnya aku lebih pengen handover ke PR gitu karena biar bisa dia
Oh, heeh.
buat strategi untuk jadi aku lebih prefernya ke full time sih. Yang full time jadi dia bisa ada responsible for long termnya gitu loh.
Mm-mm.
Kayak gitu, Grace.
Oke.
Siap. Oke, thank you. I will give the update today ya, the progress of the my tasks.
Oke, heeh.
Okay, is there anything that you want to add, Grace or David, for today?
All good, all good.
Okay, all good for David and Grace ya. Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for join, and then David also can thank you for give some feedback and then some suggestion for the community. So if there's anything that you want to tell about the community or feedback, so you can just ping me on the Slack or put on the discussion management ya. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So I will let you guys
Oh,
to continue your work. Have a good day. Bye bye.